So I hope you saw what happened when you ran each line of code before fixing it. When you ran the move command without any parentheses after it, you probably saw this error. This error told you that it's missing parentheses after the command name move. And so it's actually giving you a hint of what's wrong with your code. In the second one, we gave the full command with the parentheses. However, we didn't add the semicolon at the end. You might have noticed that the sidebar on the left that shows you the number of the line of code that you're on actually lit up red after you typed in that code. And if you put your mouse over it, you'll see that it actually tells you what's wrong with it and notices that you need a semicolon at the end. So when you see that red block on the side of a line of code, then you probably want to hover over it and check it out. And lastly, when you try to use the command move, then Karel here actually recognized that you were trying to say something else. It won't always, depending on how badly misspelled it is, but this is another hint that it might give you that this command is not defined, M-O-V-V-E, and you may have made a typo. Let's try a few more in Karel's environment.